welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I wanted to reshare my press-on nail creations with you all. I decided to rechange the packaging a couple videos ago. One of my brand ambassadors sent me a set of press-on nails inspired by my logo. I framed them and hung them up on the wall in my offices as a gallery wall idea. Well, I decided to rechange my packaging. It's not something anyone else is doing, and it just shows all the love that I put into my creation. So all of my customers will now get a miniature size version of what I did. You can reuse your nails on this. You can also hang it on a wall or maybe put it on a display on your vanity. If you have a nail room, this would be really nice. And I absolutely love this, and I hope you do as well. You will still get the organza bag with the extras, and this is listed on my website. The link will be below, and I hope you all enjoy it as much as I did creating it for you. As always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.